make sure y'all laugh, because if I don't, I didn't say heckling, by the way, I said laughing.
Hey, can I start now?
Yeah, just make you just laugh. That'd be really good.
I mean, I am laughing.
Your hat is gonna make me laugh because there's a fucking duck on it.
Hey, is that Thank you very much.
Oh, my bad.
You don't finish in third? No? You finish in third?
Go ahead. Let's get this over with.
Okay.
She said.
My name is Lindsay Catherine Humphreys. Do you know the last name is Humphreys? Yeah, it's Humphreys because, people in my sorority call me Humphreys all the time. And then it's the last name, it's Humphreys because, Kim Kardashian married that guy named Chris Humphreys, and everybody comes up to me and talks to me about it. For instance, this one time I was getting ice cream, because a girl has to have ice cream. It's that time of the month, and you kind of just have to do that. So I was getting ice cream, and of course somebody was like, "What's your last name?" Humphreys. And this was a year ago when Kim Kardashian was married that dumbass Chris Humphreys. And everyone's like, "Oh my God, you related?" I'm like, "No, I'm not related. Thank gosh." And then they're like, "Yeah, right, you're totally related to this person." I was like, "Yeah, that's true." So I just went with it. And I was like, "Yeah, he's my cousin from my second cousin's mother." And so I for ice cream you do whatever, and he was totally okay, this is what's gonna happen. But anyway, I have a learning disability. Do y'all notice that? Anybody? Raise your hand. Woohoo!
Yeah.
My learning disability is it started when I was a child. It's called pretending to be a person that's a total jackass to society and trying to learn to be a decent person. Yeah, you had that. Good boy. It started when I was around birth. My mom told me just a couple of days ago that she took some medication because she had the flu when she was going through the pregnancy with me. It's so that's why I'm I am. And yeah, she basically told me that she was on drugs when she was having me. I was like, "That's great, that's lovely." And she told me that, and I was really freaked out. I was like, "Well, that's why I'm like this, I guess, obviously." And that's good. You can come do that. No heckling involved. But anyway, I was going to say that, I was going to be a decent human being, but then 7 hit me, and I kind of killed my sister's hamster on an accident. It wasn't actually an accident. I just was really mad at my sister at this point because she was pushing me into walls and stuff like that. And I was like, "Look, dude, I'll kill your hamster." So I just went with it. I kind of was playing with it with my Mormon neighbor. Everybody in this room has a Mormon neighbor, right? Yeah. Mormons rule. Woohoo! The Jewish and Mormons mix it up. But anyway, I know, this was a girl, by the way, and we were just tossing the hamster back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and it turned out that, I was tossing it back and forth like a ball.